Welcome to our channel. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital content, YouTube creators are now facing a significant shift with the introduction of new AI rules, and we will discuss this today. These guidelines are designed to regulate how artificial intelligence can be utilized in content creation, ensuring that creators maintain authenticity while leveraging technology. As AI tools become more integrated into the creative process, understanding these rules is crucial for anyone looking to thrive on the platform. The significance of these new regulations cannot be overstated. They aim to protect both creators and viewers by promoting transparency and ethical practices. For instance, creators must now disclose when AI-generated content is used, fostering trust within their audience. This is not just a legal requirement. It's an opportunity to engage with viewers in a more meaningful way. As a content creator, grasping these rules is essential for navigating the complexities of AI in your videos. Ignoring them could lead to penalties or even account suspension. So whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, staying informed about these changes will empower you to create compelling, compliant content that resonates with your audience. Let's dive deeper into what these new AI rules entail and how they can shape your creative journey. The new AI rules implemented for YouTube creators are designed with several key objectives in mind. Primarily, these regulations aim to ensure transparency and accountability in the use of artificial intelligence within content creation. By establishing clear guidelines, YouTube seeks to protect both creators and viewers from potential misuse of AI technologies, fostering a safer and more trustworthy platform. One of the main ways these rules protect creators is by providing a framework that encourages ethical practices. For instance, creators are now required to disclose when AI tools are used to generate content, whether it's for video editing, script writing, or even voiceovers. This transparency helps maintain the integrity of the content and builds trust with the audience. Specific changes that creators need to be aware of include the mandatory labeling of AI-generated segments and videos. Additionally, there are restrictions on using AI to manipulate viewer engagement metrics, such as likes and comments. These measures not only safeguard the authenticity of content, but also enhance the overall viewing experience. By understanding and adhering to these new AI rules, creators can navigate the evolving landscape of YouTube while continuing to engage their audience effectively. The introduction of new AI rules is set to significantly impact how creators produce content on YouTube. With the requirement for transparency regarding AI usage, many creators may need to rethink their content strategies. This could mean shifting from heavily AI-generated content to a more balanced approach that combines human creativity with AI assistance. As a result, creators might focus on enhancing their storytelling skills and personal touch, ensuring that their unique voice remains at the forefront. Compliance with these new regulations is crucial, especially for those looking to monetize their channels. YouTube has made it clear that failure to adhere to the guidelines could jeopardize monetization opportunities. Creators must be diligent in labeling AI-generated content and ensuring that their practices align with the platform's standards to maintain their revenue streams. To adapt effectively to these new guidelines, creators should invest time in understanding the specifics of the regulations. This could involve attending workshops, engaging with community forums, or even collaborating with other creators to share best practices. By staying informed and proactive, content creators can not only comply with the new rules, but also leverage them to enhance their content quality and audience engagement, ultimately leading to a more sustainable and successful channel. To ensure compliance with the new AI rules, creators should adopt several essential practices when using AI tools in their content creation process. First and foremost, always disclose the use of AI in your videos. Whether it's for script writing, video editing, or generating visuals, transparency is key. Consider adding a brief note in your video description or verbally mentioning it in your content to keep your audience informed. Another important practice is to maintain a balance between AI-generated and human-created content. While AI can enhance your workflow, it's crucial to infuse your unique voice and creativity into your videos. This not only complies with regulations but also strengthens your connection with viewers. To stay updated on AI regulations, creators should utilize various resources. Follow YouTube's official blog and community guidelines for the latest updates. Joining creator forums and social media groups can also provide valuable insights and shared experiences from fellow creators navigating these changes. Additionally, consider attending webinars or workshops focused on AI and content creation. By implementing these best practices and staying informed, creators can confidently navigate the evolving landscape while ensuring compliance with the new AI rules. The YouTube creator community has been actively responding to the new AI rules, with a mix of feedback ranging from support to concern. Many creators appreciate the emphasis on transparency and ethical practices, recognizing that these regulations can help build trust with their audiences. Some creators have expressed optimism that the guidelines will encourage more authentic content, allowing them to showcase their unique voices without relying solely on AI-generated material. However, there are also concerns within the community. Some creators worry that the regulations may stifle creativity or make the content creation process more cumbersome. The fear of potential penalties for non-compliance has led to discussions about the need for clearer guidelines and examples from YouTube. This uncertainty has sparked debates about how to effectively balance AI tools with personal creativity. Notable discussions are taking place on platforms like Reddit and Twitter, where creators are sharing their insights and experiences regarding the new rules. Dedicated forums and YouTube creator groups are also buzzing with conversations about best practices and strategies for compliance. These platforms serve as valuable resources for creators to connect, share concerns, and support one another as they navigate the evolving landscape of content creation in light of the new AI regulations. As we look ahead, the implications of AI in the YouTube landscape are poised to evolve dramatically. With rapid advancements in AI technology, we can expect tools that offer even more sophisticated capabilities, such as enhanced video editing, personalized content recommendations, and advanced analytics that provide deeper insights into audience behavior. These innovations could revolutionize how creators engage with their viewers, making content more tailored and relevant than ever before. Creators can leverage these advancements while adhering to regulations by integrating AI thoughtfully into their workflows. For instance, using AI for data analysis can help creators understand what resonates with their audience, allowing them to craft more engaging content. However, it's essential to maintain transparency by disclosing AI usage, ensuring compliance with the new rules while still benefiting from the technology. Encouraging a forward-thinking mindset regarding AI integration is crucial for creators. Embracing AI as a collaborative tool rather than a replacement for human creativity can lead to innovative content that captivates audiences. By staying informed about technological advancements and regulatory changes, creators can navigate the future of AI in content creation with confidence, ultimately enhancing their channels and fostering a more dynamic YouTube community. In summary, the new AI rules introduced for YouTube creators mark a significant shift in how content is produced and shared on the platform. Key takeaways include the necessity for transparency when using AI tools, the importance of maintaining a balance between AI-generated and human-created content, and the need for compliance to protect monetization opportunities. Understanding these regulations is essential for creators who want to thrive in this evolving landscape. Compliance is not just about following rules, it's about fostering trust with your audience and ensuring that your content remains authentic and engaging. By embracing these guidelines, creators can enhance their content quality while navigating the complexities of AI integration. We encourage you to stay engaged with this topic and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more updates and tips on content creation. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow creators who might benefit from understanding the new AI rules. Together, we can navigate this exciting new era of content creation and continue to build a vibrant YouTube community. Thank you for watching and have a great day.